Welcome, Panda-Frog. Today I got the Alpha 1000 series 30mm, and I already got one here. I don't know if they are keyed alike. I didn't unpack them all. So again, all brass, which I really like. I think my buddy Dusty would like that too. So we got our 30mm in here. Let's try to pick it really quickly. Zoom in a little. And we are still at 3 pins. So the 20, 25 and 30 are 3 pins. And the keyway is much wider now. Alright, there we go. Okay, let's try it for speed picking now. It's a pretty easy pick. That wasn't that fast, but we'll give it one more try. I don't want to make this video too long. Alright, here we go. It's open. I got an idea. I will try it one more time. Maybe it works and I will be a little faster. Here goes nothing. That was faster. Well, this was, still is, the Alpha Series 1000 30mm, and I got a whole bunch of these locks. Will be up for grabs in future giveaways. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.